Do something, Bill.
Oh, I thought you were taking a photograph of me. Here we see the illustrious Atlantic Ocean, which is known for centuries for murdering Dutch people and also the occasional Belgian. All other people are perfectly immune to its death effects. We will heretofore enter towards the Atlantic Ocean. I myself will take extra precautions, being of Dutch heritage, so I'm going to use a Frenchman and another Frenchman during the course of my studies of the aforesaid Atlantic Ocean, and there we go. Some road. So he loaded up a truck full of mud and deposited it here in front of the Montauk Lighthouse. Sorry, Fire Island Lighthouse. And he said, "There, I've opened the first mudsome road in America." And here we are today.
It's a very mudsome road.
Very mudsome.
Ah! Oh! I'm stuck in the mud.
In a fortuitous twist of fate, we have arrived on the Fire Island community of Kismet. Now, Kismet was originally founded by the Aztecs, okay? What they did was they sailed up from Mexico and they found Fire Island, but they found Cherry Grove slightly too homosexual for their needs. So they founded Kismet. Now, one of the things that you always know that you're at Kismet is that when you go digging in the woods, you know, you're never far away from a truly, okay? So that's how you know you're in Kismet. Go into the woods, find a truly, Kismet. All right, let's get the fuck out of here.
Yeah. And go.
Fair Harbor. I don't know.
Ain't nothing fair about this harbor.
I would say foul. Never seen so fair and foul a harbor. This place.
You want to go see Les Docks?
Yeah.
This is a cool spot right here. I guess this is where the ferry comes in, huh? Yeah, ferry exit. That would make sense. I guess that's the real estate and not fake. Nothing fake about that. They got a bike store and a booze store.
What more does one need? Oh man, in a couple years these are gonna look as good as my bike.
Your bike is looking good.
Fancy as hell.
You got fire department. Playground for the kids, so don't get too lonely, you know.
Oh, fire gong.
Oh, a little ringling bell.
Doesn't look very effective anymore.
I like a wingling dragon. Maybe I should have brought the drone. I don't know. No, once you get up, it would be a warning, you know.
Oh, look at these cats.
Yeah. Meow.
Meow meow.
Does this path go anywhere?
Oh, let's go on the dock.
Le Dock?
Is this private?
Might be.
One way to find out.
I see a bike line in it.
How much is it for the house?
Fair Harbor. I think they're all expensive. I think Davis Park is probably the most reasonably priced.
Downright blue collar at only $2.5 million an acre.
Yeah. This is neat, huh? So this is Fair Harbor. All right, well,
Merry Christmas.
here we are. We're walking our bikes to Atlantique because the road is too sandy. Can't ride this shit. What do you say there, Bill?
I would say it's pretty sandy.
All right, this is, I think, Atlantique. Yeah, this is Atlantique.
Do they have a boardwalk?
Yeah, let's go check out the harbor.
Dennis used to flip burgers.
Yeah, Scoop family owned it.
Scoop dog?
Scoop's family. This would be the men's side. Remember that?
I haven't been here in like a decade.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Wow. Fanciful.
Oh, this is probably the biggest harbor in Fire Island. Maybe, I don't know. probably the biggest.
No, this is definitely the biggest.
And it's privately owned too. The Groves is no, Groves doesn't have a harbor. Yeah. Oh, look at that playground. Finn would love that.
Just picking up and the glass is falling. Don't like the look of it. Oh boy. You can see the land of No up ahead.
Oh, that's where we're going. Yes.
Yes. Alright, play cool, guys.
Oh, I wasn't recording. Oh, we got a water taxi. Ah. This thing's boogie woogie, man.
Hey, Derek. I'd buy you a nicer Chesterfield or an Ottoman.
So we just passed through Seaview. Now we are in Brookhaven. Is this still Seaview, Derek? Got all these brick paths here. Not too bad. All right, hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. So what would Margaret Thatcher say?
Margaret Thatcher, if she were riding her bicycle on Fire Island, would say, "One would think that should one surround one's property with barbed wire and an armed guard, that they should fully expect the full might of the British Empire to attack with every ounce of courage and manpower available."
So we're headed back. This is Ocean Bay Park, right? Ocean Bay Park?
Yeah.
We're heading back west to Field 5 from Ocean Bay Park, a little bit of a trek. And that's the date today, January 2nd. It's a Sunday.
January 2nd, 1:33.
1:33 p.m. And yeah.
Here we find ourselves on glorious Fire Island, and you might ask yourself, how do you know you're on Fire Island? How do you know you're not on just any barrier island? Well, just look for the signs.
Of course, no visit to Fire Island is complete without a visit to the ocean. And Derek enjoying his nice view while he takes a piss.
No shake? Alright.
Yeah, this is a nice shot right here, man, of the clouds. Yeah, give me a bite of that, Derek. Here we are, back riding through salt air again.